Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome back. Today we have a Lexus GX470 remote head key. Okay, the problem is that this one here it messed up, you see, and wow, hopefully I will be able to take the piece out of here. Thank God it's come out. So what you need to do after it's clean, you're gonna cut this. This is called CASHAPP.
Sure thing.
Okay, 1 minute, just let me finish this video and then you push it in. That's it. Push it good. Believe me, this one here is one of the best ever. So it's very good, very strong, and it works fine. When you buy a new one, it's come like this with a screw in the back, even from the dealer. And tendency to break is a lot. You know, they break, you can say they can break fast. Even they work here, it's break fast the same way like this. When you have this problem, do not glue it. Do the glue, or those it may create only problem for you, and you're gonna mess up this one. So make it this way, it's gonna be perfect. You have no problem. In less than a minute and a half we change it, but you have to cut the copy. You're gonna copy this one into this one. Also, don't throw this one, keep it, it will help you. This is for Lexus GX470 2003 2008, Lexus 2003 2008 460 also, I believe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.